And welcome back mga kabayan sa ating new episode dito sa The Servant Explorers. My name is Lugin and gumagawa ako ng mga videos for OFWs and also I'm sharing sa mga experience ko as an OFW, ano yung mga process, mga government na mga requirements based sa experience ko dito sa abroad. And also, may mga videos ako about the travels, about sa mga immigration, paano punta sa isang bansa at ano yung mga requirements nila. So, every time na may travel kami, sinishare ko kung ano yung mga procedures at process. So, please check our videos sa channel namin. And in today's video, mga kabayan, I'm going to share and to show you the simplest steps by step na paano mag-register or mag-sign up sa e-travel. Nabanggit ko nga last time sa aking video na ang e-travel ay mandatory requirements kung tayo ay pauwi ng Pilipinas, nagbabakasyon or galing bakasyon or if we are working abroad. And also palabas din ng Pilipinas kung magbabakasyon tayo outside the country or pabalik tayo palabas ng bansa, pabalik sa ating mga trabaho abroad. So it's a mandatory requirements. However, it's free po siya. Okay? Paulit-ulit kong sinasabi na libre lang po ang e-travel na QR code and ang purpose po nito ay to verify and to have the easy track ng ating mga government in case may mga issues later on, madali tayong matrack kung like last time nagkaroon ng pandemic, we don't know kung sino yung mga katabi natin, kung may mga sakit sila, kumbaga health declaration and some information na gustong malaman ng ating government. And ito yung step-by-step procedure, sundan nyo po yung video, maikli lang po yung video, but I believe nakakatulong ito sa atin.
This is the main page of the e-travel. Okay, so it's etravel.gov.ph. So this is the main URL. If you are accessing it through your desktop or through your Google browser or Google Chrome, to your internet browser. So it says here, e-travel is free. And remember, don't click any link that says there is a charges, because some of my friends, okay, nagbayad sila ng certain amount of money. So e-travel guys is free of charge. Okay, you can use also or download through your iPhone using your iOS or Google Play using your Samsung or other device. Okay, if you are using the Android. So here, this is the home page, data policy, and the frequently asked questions. This, if you want to know more about the e-travel, about more information, you can click the link in the frequently asked questions. So last time my video, there's a video that the content is more about the information about the e-travel. So, i-click nyo na lang if you know, if you want to know more before you sign in or sign up on this one. So, dito tayo, sign in. Okay? Sign in. Ayan. So, medyo naglo-load. Okay. Again, it says here that is a main page. Then, you can log in your email ID if you have an account already. Like me na may account na. So, sinave ko rin dyan yung aking password na ka-autosave. And also here, kung wala pa, you can create an account. Okay? You can create an account. Click natin, create an account. Okay. Now, you enter your email ID that you want to create. Okay? So, ano ba yung email ID natin? Let's say the servant explorers at gmail.com. Okay, yan yung ating email ID. Then, next is, okay, magsisend siya ng OTP or one-time password. Now, one-time password, punta tayo sa email natin kung ano yung clinic or nilagin natin. So, makikita natin dito, eTravel, welcome to eTravel, activate your account. Then, you have the OTP. Okay, it's 192797. Okay. Balik tayo sa ating eTravel page. 19297. Then, click continue. Mali. Invalid PIN. Okay, magre-red siya kung mali. Balik tayo. 797 pala. 192797. So, baguhin lang natin to. 97. And then, continue. Now, create your own password. So, it's very important to create your own password. Para walang ibang maka-access. Make sure that you remember your password. Okay. So, nag-create na tayo ng password. Then, it will link us to the main page. Okay? So, you can upload your photo here. So, ano ka ba? Philippine passport holder or foreign passport? So, Philippine passport holder ako, kaya dito ko i-click. So, ngayon, dito yung first name ko. Okay? Then, middle name, last name, and the suffix. Okay? So, kung junior ka ba, senior, the first, second, third. Okay? Then, of course, our gender. And we should have a Philippine valid mobile number. Valid Philippine mobile number. Okay? So, kung wala kayong mobile number, you can ask your relatives to have or ano yung mobile number nila. Nang sa ganun ay malagay natin dito. It's very important to have the active and valid Philippine number, mga kabayan, kasi for tracking system later on of our government, malalaman nila or makokontak nila tayo. So, it's because what if may mga case, what if may mga sakit, yung nakasakay sa plane na yon. So, madali nila kayong ma-contact for quarantine. Then, citizenship, Filipino, Philippines, country of birth, passport number, and also passport issued country. So, then, you can click next. Ayan. So, pag wrong information or may mga na-miss out tayo na information, then, it's very important to fill up everything. Kasi magre-red yan at hindi siya magpo-proceed to the next step. Okay? So, it's very important na complete detail.
So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kabayan ang pag-register or pag-sign up sa ating eTravel. And kung meron kayong mga questions at mga gustong i-clarify, pwede kayong mag-comment sa ating comment section below. And also yung step-by-step procedure paano kumuha ng QR code. Madali lang po, may video din po akong ginawa. Punta lang kayo sa playlist and OFW. So, andun yung paano kumuha ng eTravel. And also mga kabayan, yung eTravel po natin, ganun lang siya kabilis. Okay? Hindi po natin kailangan magkaroon ng multiple account. Kung ano yung na-register natin, make sure na yun na po yung email ID na gagamitin natin throughout po yun. Para po hindi po magkaroon ng multiple entry sa system ng eTravel. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple, mabilis lang gawin, and make sure na tama lahat yung inyong mga dineclare na mga information para hindi tayo magkaroon ng issue later on. So maraming salamat po. Please continue to subscribe our channel and also pa-share sa ating mga kabayan na OFW para po makatulong sa kanila yung mga videos natin. At kung may gusto kayong mga content na gusto nating i-research or gusto ninyong i-upload namin, so please comment down below and pahit na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga future namin na mga videos. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po kayong lahat mga kabayan.
Since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted.